morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus, third chapter algebra. Exercise 3.1. Already I have completed first subdivision and second subdivision 2 sums I have completed. I will continue with the third sum. So third one is here x plus y plus z is given as 27 and then it is given like this, y plus z by 4 is equal to z plus x by 3 is equal to x plus y is equal to 2. So we will take that x plus y plus z is equal to 27 as the first equation. First two we will take, these two equations we will take. So it will be 3y plus 3z is equal to 4z plus 4x. So bringing all the terms to one side, it will be 3y plus 3z minus 4z minus 4x is equal to 0. So 3y minus z, 3z minus 4z will be minus z minus 4x is equal to 0. So I got an equation with x, y and z variables. So that I will take it as second equation. So same way, the second and third expressions I will take. So when I cross multiply this, it will be 2z plus 2x is equal to 3x plus 3y. So bringing all the terms to one side, 2z plus 2x minus 3x minus 3y is equal to 0. So 2z plus 2x minus 3x will be minus x minus 3y is equal to 0. So this is the third equation. So I got three equations with three variables x, y and z. So now we'll simplify this. So here first equation is x plus y plus z here. So I'll take the first equation and the second equation I will take. So first equation is, so first one is x plus y plus z is equal to 27 and the second one is, second equation is 3y minus z minus 4x. So minus 4x plus 3y minus z is equal to 0. So when I simplify this, plus z minus z will get cancelled when I add this. So plus 3y plus y will be plus 4y minus 3x plus 4y is equal to 27. So this is the fourth equation. Okay, now I have to get another equation with x and y variables alone. So I am taking second equation and third equation. So third equation is, so third one is, in the order I will write minus x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 0. So then the second equation, in this also z to be cancelled. So here in this only z is there. So if I multiply by 2 only, I can cancel that z. So second equation into 2. So it will be first x value. So minus 8x. Minus 8x. 4 2s are 8. Then y is plus 3 2s are 6. 6y. Then z is minus 2z is equal to 0. Okay. So now when I add this, plus 2z minus 2z will get cancelled. Here it will be minus 9x plus 3y is equal to 0. So this is the fifth equation. So this is the fifth equation. So I got two equations with x and y variables. Okay. Even this fifth equation, I can rewrite it as dividing it by 3. Dividing this equation by 3, minus 3x plus y is equal to 0. So I am rewriting this as the fifth equation. Okay, so now I will simplify fifth equation and fourth equation. So fourth equation is minus 3x plus 4y is equal to 27. Then fifth equation is minus 3x plus y is equal to 0. So if I add, I cannot cancel x term. So I am subtracting this. So when I subtract, I have to change the sign. So plus 3x minus 3x will get cancelled. Here this one will be 3y is equal to 27. So y value is equal to 9. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Okay, so this y value I am substituting it in the fifth equation. So fifth equation is minus 3x plus y is equal to 0. So minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. Minus 3x is equal to minus 9. Minus will get cancelled. X is equal to 3. So I got x value and y value and substituting it in the first equation. So my first equation is x plus y plus z, y plus z is equal to 27. So x value is 3, y value is 9 plus z is equal to 27. So z is equal to 27 minus 9 plus 3 is 12. So that is equal to 15. So z value is 15. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 9 and z is equal to 15. So these are the value for the x, y and z terms. So since we got values for x, y and z, there is unique solution for the given equation. So we are asked to discuss the nature of the root. So the nature of the given equation is unique solution. So next one is the word problem. So this word problem we have to write it as an equation, then we have to find the value for the given information. Okay. So Vani, her father and her grandfather have an average age of 53. One half of her grandfather's age plus 1/3 of her father's age plus 1/4 of Vani's age is 65. 4 years ago, if Vani's grandfather was 4 times as old as Vani, then how old are they all now? So with the given information, we can make 3 equations. Then it can be solved and find the age of Vani, her father and grandfather. So we'll take Vani's age be x. Let Vani's age be x, father age be y, father age be y and grandfather age be z. So we'll take it as x, y and z. Then first statement is Vani, her father and her grandfather have an average age of 53. So first, according to the first condition, Vani x, father y plus grandfather average. So when we find the average, it has to be divided by 3. Average age of 53. So x plus y plus z is equal to 159. So this is the first equation. According to the given condition, this is the first equation. Then second condition given is 1/2 of her father, of her grandfather age. So grandfather is z. 1/2 of the grandfather age. So z by 2 plus 1/3 of her father's age. Father is y. So 1/3 is y by 3 plus 1/4 of Vani's age. So x by 4. 1/4 of Vani age is 65 is equal to 65. So now we will simplify this. We will take LCM for this 2, 3 and 4. So the LCM is 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So LCM is equal to 12. So denominator is 12. So in the numerator we will get 6z plus 4y plus 3x. So 2 6 are 12 into 2 6 are 12. So 6z. 3 4s are 12. So 4y. 4 3s are 12. So 3x is equal to 65. So 6x plus 4y plus 3x is equal to 65 into 12. So on the whole, we can divide all the terms. No, it cannot be done. So 6z plus 4y plus 3x. So 6x plus 4y plus 3x is equal to 65 into 12. 130, 65, So 780 is equal to 780. So this is the second equation. So the second equation is 6x plus 4y plus 3x. Sorry, 6z. 6z plus 4y plus 3x is equal to 780. Then the third one is 4 years ago. Third one is 4 years ago. So third condition is 4 years ago, if Vani's grandfather, so grandfather is Z. So 4 years ago. So Z minus 4 is equal to 4 years ago. If Vani's grandfather was 4 times as old as Vani is equal to 4 times as old as Vani. So Vani is X. So 4 years ago is X minus 4. So here they are comparing grandfather and Vani. So grandfather age is Z and Vani age is X. Vani age is X since it is 4 years ago. So Z minus 4 and X minus 4. So 4 times as old as Vani. So Z minus 4 is equal to 4 into X minus 4. As old as Vani, then how old are they now? So we got a third equation with Z minus 4 is equal to 4x minus 16. So minus 4x plus Z is equal to minus 16 plus 4. So minus 4x plus Z is equal to minus 12. So this is the third equation. So this is the third equation. Since we got an equation with x and z, we will take the other two equation and cancel y so that we will get an equation with x and z. So first equation, if we want to cancel y, it has to be here. In the second equation, we are having 4y. So we have to multiply it by 4. So first equation into 4. So 1 into 4. So 4x plus 4y plus 4z is equal to 159 into 4. 159 into 4. 9 4s are 36. 23. 636 is equal to 636. Then taking the second equation and writing it in order, we will get 3x plus 4y plus 6z. 6z plus 6z is equal to 780. So when we simplify this, it has to be subtracted. So we will subtract both the equation so that y value will get cancelled. Subtracting plus 4y minus 4y will get cancelled. So here we will get an equation with x minus 2z is equal to 780 minus 636. So it will be 144 is equal to 144 minus 144. Bigger number sign. So this is the fourth equation. This is the fourth equation. Now we will take the third equation and fourth equation and simplify. So when we multiply this third equation by 4, we can cancel x. So 3 into 4 is equal to minus 4x. Third equation into 4. No. Third equation we will write as it is. Third equation we will write as it is. Minus 4x plus z is equal to minus 12. Is equal to minus 12. And fourth equation we will take and multiply it by 4. So it will be 4x minus 4 2s are 8z is equal to 144 into 4. 576 minus 576. Okay, so plus 4x minus 4x will get cancelled. So minus 7z is equal to 576 and 12. If we add 588 minus 588. So z is equal to minus will get cancelled here. 588 divided by 7. So 588 divided by 7 will simplify. 7 8s are 56. 2 7 4s are 28. So Z value is 84. So what is Z we have taken? Z is grandfather age. So the grandfather age is 84. So now we will take. So I take the third equation. Minus 4x plus y plus z is equal to minus 12. So minus 4x plus 84 is equal to minus 12. So minus 4x is equal to minus 12 minus 84, that is minus 96. So minus will get cancelled. So x is equal to 24 years. That is Z is equal to 84 is grandfather age. We have taken Z as grandfather age. So Z is equal to 84. X is equal to 24 is Vani's age. So we have taken Vani's age as x. So x is equal to 24. Then we will take the first equation. X plus y plus z is equal to 159. So x is 24. Y plus z is 84 is equal to 159. So y plus 108 is equal to 159. So y is equal to 51 years. That is Vani's father age is 51 years. So like this, if a word problem is given, we have to take it as x, y and z values, and accordingly we have to find the value. Okay. So with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.